2026 Chevrolet El Camino in a stunning red finish is finally here, and it's turning heads everywhere it goes. Chevrolet has brought back this iconic blend of car and pickup truck with modern styling, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this 2026 El Camino, from its price and models to its features and driving experience. Starting with the price, the 2026 Chevrolet El Camino has a starting MSRP of around $36,500 for the base model. The top trims, which include advanced technology packages and premium interior options, can go up to approximately $52,000. That gives you a wide range of options depending on whether you want the classic, practical style or the fully loaded luxury experience. The El Camino comes in several trims for 2026, each tailored to a specific type of driver. The base LS model gives you the essentials: a solid 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, and a comfortable interior that keeps you connected with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The mid-tier LT trim adds more tech features, better upholstery, and optional all-wheel drive for those who want a little extra versatility. Finally, the top-of-the-line RS and Z71 trims push the performance and style even further. The RS features sporty design cues, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a more aggressive suspension setup, while the Z71 takes off-road capability seriously with enhanced ground clearance, off-road tires, and a rugged underbody skid plate. Under the hood, the 2026 El Camino offers multiple engine options. The base 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine produces 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, making it both efficient and lively for everyday driving. For those seeking more power, there's the 5.3-liter V8, delivering an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This V8 can tow up to 7,500 pounds, making the El Camino not just stylish, but highly functional. All models come with an automatic transmission, while select trims offer paddle shifters for a sportier driving experience. The red color of the 2026 El Camino really brings out its bold lines and aggressive front fascia. LED headlights and daytime running lights give it a modern touch, while the sculpted hood and muscular fenders pay homage to its classic roots. From the rear, the pickup-style cargo bed is both stylish and practical, capable of carrying gear, equipment, or weekend adventure essentials. Chevrolet has also integrated smart storage solutions, including under-bed compartments and tie-downs, ensuring that this El Camino isn't just about looks, it's about versatility too. Inside, the El Camino continues to impress. The cabin is driver-focused with a comfortable, supportive seating arrangement, premium materials on higher trims, and an intuitive dashboard layout. The infotainment system is quick and responsive, offering navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Bose audio system on select trims. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 El Camino comes with Chevrolet Safety Assist as standard, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, forward collision alert, and pedestrian detection. Higher trims offer adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, making long drives safer and more enjoyable. Driving the 2026 El Camino is a unique experience. It combines the smooth handling of a car with the utility of a truck. The suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and control, while the powerful engines deliver strong acceleration whether you're merging on highways or hauling heavy loads. The steering is precise, and the braking system is robust, giving confidence behind the wheel in all conditions. Customization is also a highlight for the 2026 El Camino. You can choose from a variety of wheel designs, interior finishes, and accessory packages, making it easy to personalize your El Camino to match your style. Whether you're drawn to the sporty RS, the rugged Z71, or the balanced LT, there's a 2026 El Camino for every driver looking for a blend of heritage, performance, and utility. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet El Camino in red is a perfect blend of classic American muscle and modern versatility. Starting around $36,500, it's a compelling choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that stands out on the road, offers strong performance, and provides practical cargo space. With multiple trims, powerful engine options, advanced technology, and a bold red design, the El Camino is ready to turn heads and redefine what a car-truck crossover can be. If you're in the market for a vehicle that combines style, performance, and functionality, the 2026 Chevrolet El Camino is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to test drive it and experience the thrill of driving this modern classic.